The Oru Media and Associates, with a team of some online publishers and members of his staff, paid a courtesy visit to Dr. Rufus Ebegba, the Director General and CEO, National Biosafety Management Agency.
What made me to come for collaboration and still tell you to carry on what you're doing is, I see the tight corner which you're operating from. And yet you are moving on. Nobody is deterred. All of them, as we were coming, they were smiling, everybody, madam. So people are there ready to work. This agency is just proving to Nigerians that people can succeed without all the necessary tools. In fact, without the necessary tools. Because people can let people come in and verify that here is on that tight corner. You get, and things are moving. So if nobody,
the Director General assured them for partnership and collaboration.
The team for this courtesy call, particularly, I also want to thank you for your kind words, which are quite encouraging and inspiring. One thing is clear, as you rightly said, we work under a very tight condition, space of cooperation, and also a society that always look towards what you can see physically. Our activities may not be too visible because we see ourselves as economic and safety enablers. We create safety, we create safe environment for the implementation of, for the deployment of our technology and these products. We also, because we're ensuring that those products are safe before they are deployed, and those products enhance economic growth. That's what we see ourselves as safety and economic enablers. That's what we see ourselves. And from what I've said, it means you must have been following up on what we are doing. And very few people will meticulously do that. And I think the organization identifying to work with us, we're also willing to work closely with you. One thing I want to tell you is that henceforth, all our public events, we extend the invitation to you. The agency may not have much money to really engage on probably partnership that involve spending money. But I think we can work together, and our activities will also expose you probably to other things that will bring business for you. We intend to have a national biosafety conference this year, and we would like to also involve you in the conference, particularly in the area of publicizing the conference and also being one of the planners of the event. It will not cost us money. It will not also give you money, but I think it will expose you. It's an international conference, so I want to see how you can also leverage on that and so you can also project your organization. We'll do that for you too. Those are the two major. And also, we have also drawn up a memorandum of understanding to establish a center of excellence with the Federal University of Petroleum Resources, a forum. The university wrote requesting for collaboration. We looked at it. In the Petroleum University, how do they want to collaborate with us? And looking through what they have even a department of biotechnology. And so in that case, it means they will be doing genetic engineering, which by extension they will need biosafety to ensure that the activities they are safe, they are in line with our legal and other administrative procedures. So we agree to have a collaboration with them, and we are going to have a center of excellence, and that center of excellence is it's like an institution where training on biosafety and biosecurity will be taking place. And that partner, they are going to provide the space and other facilities while we provide the human resources to deliver lectures and also identify international partners to also collaborate. And we have some international partners like Michigan State University, and also work closely with the African Union. So we're working so that we cannot use that as a hub for biosafety in Africa. Currently, we are the chair of African Biosafety Regulators Forum, which means all the agencies all biosafety agencies in Africa in all the 54 countries. We now, is Africa up to 55 now? I think we are still 54 state members, 54 members of the African Union. So we are the chair, and being elected as the chair of the African Biosafety Regulators Forum, it is it's a attestation to the fact that in our short period of existence, we have been able to make some modest strides, and we are proud of that, and we are not also, we do not take that for granted, the fact that we are doing what we need to do. We owe Nigerian people to ensure that our technology is deployed safely, the products are also safe, and confers economic benefit to our national development, particularly in the end.
I'll tell you one other thing about me, that my active life as a marketer. And marketing is all about product and services. It is what you put on the table as a service that becomes a service. The national program you are running can be marketed.
Yes, the why I brought in the national this biosafety center, not about the conference and all the center, because we bring in, you market the course so that people will apply, and it should be a way at least to compensate you for that. That's one thing.
Then there are other services which we may now look at and make sure we tell people. Like there's an agency that one of the agencies that talked about weather, giving it almost free the time, say that you can customize. I'm just giving an idea so that we can customize. If something is general, you can still say, okay, this is for service A. It could be the same thing, but for the fact that you customize it and make it becomes sellable and marketable. This will be discussed. Then for media communication, if there are centers that are there, we can connect correspondence in those areas to equally take things from their angle to make it more. If you visit an area, I must not go because of cost.
Yeah.
We let what is happening there on ground. We have people on ground. When they release here, we still have people on ground. Yeah, when there is money, we all sit down to enjoy. But when there is no, we need to work hard to make sure that things work. Yeah, so if there are other places, your movement or you have officers there that way, if we know, we will commit our associates there. That's why only there works with associates. I may not have money to expand people, but we work as associates with like minds. See, this thing is pro bono. Are you interested to do it pro bono? Some people say yes, and we connect them there. So that's another way to take up. So thank you very much for this session. I'm not taking it for granted, and I will not take it for granted. If people are talking, okay, otherwise, I want them to have a feel that they are here.
I am Ruzama Moses Luka, reporting for BASSATV.